Welcome back to our channel. Today we have got something really exciting to share with you. In this video, we will be showcasing one of our recent projects that we developed for a client, which is a customer support chatbot using ChatGPT. So first of all, we will discuss the problem statement and then we will move on with the demo. So the objective is to develop an interactive chatbot interface for an e-commerce platform specifically designed to address customer inquiries about the products offered by the store. And this chatbot should aim to provide timely and accurate information to users, assisting them in making informed purchasing decisions while enhancing their overall shopping experience. So the chatbot is expected to comprehend user queries, then identify any assumptions made by the users as well, and then it should validate these assumptions against the provided product information. And after doing all that, the chatbot should respond to the user in a courteous manner, correcting any misconceptions. Additionally, the chatbot interface should facilitate a seamless conversation flow by presenting a clear instruction to user and organizing responses systematically. And this system should aim to enhance user experience and provide accurate product related information, which is the need of the hour for any e-commerce platform. So this is the problem statement around which the chatbot was to be developed. And now, before we jump into the demo, let me tell you a bit about ChatGPT. It is an advanced language model developed by OpenAI and it's being used by businesses all around the world to enhance customer service. From e-commerce platforms to tech companies, ChatGPT is being used to interact with their customers. So let's take a look at some of the prominent enterprises that have embraced ChatGPT to drive their success. As you can see on the screen, companies like Shopify, Sprinkler, Koo, Snapchat and many more have recognized the potential of ChatGPT and they have already integrated into their services to enhance customers' experience. For example, Shopify integrates ChatGPT into its customer support system, allowing merchants to provide personalized assistance to users by answering common queries, offering product recommendations, and guiding them through the purchasing process via chat. And Spotify uses ChatGPT to enhance its music recommendation engine, employing natural language processing to understand user preferences and suggest personalized playlists, artists, and songs tailored to each user's taste. Likewise, Snapchat also utilizes ChatGPT to power its conversational AI features. It enables users to engage with chatbots which provide personalized content recommendations and interactive experiences and even the facilitating transactions within the platform. So now that we have an understanding of the problem statement and we also had a little bit of introduction to the significance of ChatGPT in conversational AI, we are ready to see the application in action. So now we will move on with the demo. So this is the interface for the customer support chatbot that we built for the e-commerce platform. And it should be noted that this e-commerce platform only sells computers and laptops. You can ask this chatbot anything about the products that the platform offers and it will do its best to help out the customers to the best of its ability. And in this demo, we will exactly see how it does that. And here is how it works. The deal is really simple, as we all know. We just have to type in our question and hit send. So let's see. We will be using some queries, for example, to check out the responses of the chatbot. And these are the type of queries which are most frequently received by the e-commerce platform. So let's check them out. So the first query is, by how much is the Blue Wave Chromebook more expensive than the Tech Pro desktop? So basically the query is asking between the comparison of pricing between a laptop and a computer. So let's check out how the chatbot responds. So we see that the response is very clear and it provides very concise information. It just tells the user that the Blue Wave Chromebook is actually $750 cheaper than the Tech Pro desktop, and thereby the chatbot helps the user in an efficient manner. Let's try out another query. Now we'll ask the chatbot whether the platform sells TVs. Let's check out how it responds in this case, because we already know that the platform only sells computers and laptops. And we see that the chatbot politely clarifies that they currently do not sell TVs. And not only that, it also tells the user what they specialize in. That is, their store specializes in computers and laptops. And on top of it, it is also prompting the user to ask questions regarding the available products instead of TVs. So the response is really great. Now let's check out another query. Now this query is a little bit more specific in nature, where the user is asking, I'm looking for a laptop with at least 16 GB RAM. Do you have any recommendations? So here the user is asking the chatbot for recommendations for laptops with at least 16 GB RAM. So let's see in this case how the chatbot responds. We see that the chatbot responds by saying we recommend considering either the Blue Wave gaming laptop or the Tech Pro desktop, both of which have at least 16 GB of RAM to meet your requirements. If you have any specific preferences or questions about these laptops, feel free to ask. So again, the chatbot was able to provide accurate answers based on the data that has been made available to the chatbot for reference. So the e-commerce platform provided us with a list of their products along with their specification, and the chatbot is able to read through them and make recommendations based on the specific requirements of the users. So this is also another very important aspect of the chatbot. So let's just try out one last query to see the performance of the chatbot. So here again it is a kind of a recommendation being asked by the user, where the user is asking, can you help me choose between the Blue Wave gaming laptop and the Powerlight convertible? And we hit send. And the chatbot responds by saying that based on the features and performance, if you prioritize a large display, higher RAM and storage capacity for gaming or high performance tasks, the Blue Wave gaming laptop would be a better choice. However, if you prefer a touch screen and a more versatile convertible design, the Powerlight convertible might be more suitable for your needs. So here we can see that the chatbot is able to list down the specifics of both of these laptops according to different scenarios in which they will be more suitable, providing a clear insight to the user. So this is the performance of the chatbot, and it's pretty cool, right? A chatbot makes getting information about products a breeze. It enhances the customer's shopping experience, as there are no more waiting on hold or scrolling through endless FAQs. And the best part, it's available 24/7, so you can get answers whenever you need them. So now you might be wondering, is this really feasible? Can a chatbot really provide accurate information and enhance customer experience? Well, the answer is yes. With advancements in natural language processing and machine learning, chatbots like us are becoming smarter and more reliable every day. So the next time you have a question about our products, don't hesitate to give our chatbot a try. We are confident that it will exceed your expectations. Thanks for watching this video, and see you next time with another one of our project demos. Thank you.